Unlocking the mystery. Sounds like a parrot. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression in the English language. Sounds like a parrot. This phrase is quite colorful and vivid, but what does it really mean? Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and origins. We're excited to help you enhance your understanding of English idioms and expressions. When we say someone sounds like a parrot, we're not talking about their voice pitch or tone. Instead, this expression is used to describe a person who repeats what others say without understanding it or giving it much thought. Just like a parrot mimics human speech without grasping its meaning. A person who sounds like a parrot repeats words or phrases verbatim, often without any comprehension or original input. Understanding how and when to use this phrase can really elevate your English communication. It's often used in a casual or informal context, possibly among friends or in situations that are not too serious. For example, if someone keeps repeating the same trendy phrases they heard on TV without knowing what they're talking about, you might say, "Stop sounding like a parrot and think for yourself." However, be mindful of the tone and context when using this expression, as it can come across as criticism or mockery if not used carefully. Ever wondered where such a vivid expression comes from? The phrase, "sounds like a parrot," taps into the long-known ability of parrots to mimic human speech. Parrots don't just repeat sounds. They can replicate phrases and tones with surprising accuracy. This remarkable trait made them the perfect metaphor for mindless repetition. Though it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin of this expression, it's clear that it's been influenced by the natural behavior of parrots, observed and marveled at by humans for centuries. To fully grasp the usage of "sounds like a parrot," let's look at some examples. 1. During the meeting, John just sounded like a parrot, repeating the boss's ideas without any of his own. 2. Learning a new language is more than just sounding like a parrot. It's about understanding the culture and context behind the words. 3. My little sister loves memorizing and repeating movie lines verbatim. She sounds like a parrot. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, highlighting the importance of original thought and understanding over mere repetition. And there you have it, folks. Next time you hear someone say someone else sounds like a parrot, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's all about repeating others' words without understanding or originality. We hope this video has been enlightening and added a fun, new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with interesting phrases and idioms that make the language rich and colorful. Until next time, keep learning and never stop exploring the depths of the English language.